सामे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। सुप्रभातं, स्वागतं, शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयम् अष्टमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तके शून्यं गृहं सुतां विना इति पाठं पठामः. In this lesson, we will discuss about the girl child. Nowadays, it is very famous that daughter is not tension. She is not a tension. She is equal to 10 sons. So, how daughters are important? This lesson tells that house is empty. House feels very empty without the daughters. Let us read. शालिनी ग्रीष्मावकाशे पितृगृहम् आगच्छति. सर्वे प्रसन्नमनसा तस्याः स्वागतं कुर्वन्ति. परं तस्याः भ्रातृजाया उदासीना इव दृश्यते. शालिनी भ्रातृजाये चिन्तिता इव प्रतीयसे. सर्वं कुशलं खलु? Shalini, in the summer vacation, comes to her father's house. Sarve prasanna manasa tasyaha swagatam kurvanti. Everybody very happily welcome her. Param tasyaha bhratrujaya udasina iva drishyate. But her brother's wife looks somewhat very much tired. Udasina. Udasina means very worried. She looks very much worried. Shalini भ्रातृजाये चिंतिता इव प्रतीयसे सर्वं कुशलं खलु. Shalini asks her brother's wife that, my dear, chintita iva pratíyase, you are looking like very much worried. Is everything fine here? Then Mala. आम शालिनी कुशलिनी अहम त्वदर्थं किम आनयानि शीतलपेयं चायं वा. Then Mala tells, yes, I am fine, Shalini. What can I bring for you? Can I bring the cold drinks or the tea? Shalini. अधुना तु किमपि न वाञ्छामि. रात्रौ सर्वैः सह भोजनमेव करिष्यामि. Then Shalini tells, Adhuna, now I don't want anything. In the night, I will take dinner with all. भोजनकालेपि मालायाः मनोदशा स्वस्था न प्रतीयते स्म. परं सा सुखेन परं सा मुखेन किमपि नोक्तवती. But even at the dinner time, brother's wife was Mala was not looking. Her mindset was not changed. She was appearing very much worried, but she was not telling anything open. Rakeshaha Bhagini Shalini दिष्ट्या त्वं समागता. अद्य मम कार्यालये एका महत्वपूर्णा गोष्ठी सहसैव निश्चिता. अद्यैव मालायाः चिकित्सकया सह मेलनस्य समयः निर्धारितः. त्वं मालया सह चिकित्सिकां प्रति गच्छ. तस्याः परामर्शानुसारं यद् विधेयं तत् सम्पादय. The brother Rakesh tells, Bhagini Malini, my dear sister Malini, dishtya tvam samagati. Gata, you have come in the right time. Mama karyalaye eka mahatvapurna goshti sahasaiva nishchita. Immediately they fixed a meeting in my office. But this today only Mala's appointment is there with the doctor. You please accompany Mala, and as the doctor advises, please do needful to the Mala. Shalini. किमभवत्? भ्रातृजायाः स्वास्थ्यं समीचीनं नास्ति. अहं तु ह्यः प्रभृति पश्यामि सा स्वस्था न प्रतिभाति इति प्रतीयते मे. What happened, brother? The Bhabhi is not in good health. She is not looking very healthy from yesterday. I am observing. Any problem is there? राकेशः चिन्तायाः विषयः नास्ति. नथिङ्ग् टु वरि. त्वं मालया सह गच्छ. मार्गे सा सर्वं ज्ञापयिष्यति. प्लीस् गो वित् माला. शी विल् टेल् यू एव्रिथिङ्ग् आन् द वे. माला शालिनी च चिकित्सिकां प्रति गच्छन्त्यौ वार्तां कुरुतः. So on the way to the hospital, both Mala and Shalini are speaking. Shalini, किम् अभवत् भ्रातृजाये? का समस्या अस्ति? What happened? Is there any problem? Mala, शालिनी, अहं मासत्रयस्य गर्भं स्वकुक्षौ धारयामि. I am 3 months pregnant. तव भ्रातुः आग्रहः अस्ति यत् अहं लिङ्गपरीक्षणं कारयेयम्. कुक्षौ कन्या अस्ति चेत् गर्भं पातयेयम्. अहम् अतीव उद्विग्ना अस्मि, परं तव भ्राता वार्तामेव न शृणोति. My dear Shalini, now I am 3 months pregnant. Your brother is forcing me to do forcing me to he is forcing me to test the gender, and if it is the boy we will continue, and if it is the girl I have to take out my womb. Then शालिनी, भ्राता एवं चिन्तयितुम् अपि कथं प्रभवति? शिशुः कन्या अस्ति चेत् वधार्हा जघन्यं कृत्यमिदं. त्वं विरोधं न कृतवती. सः तव शरीरे स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति. त्वं तूष्णीं तिष्ठसि. अधुनैव गृहं चल. नास्ति आवश्यकता लिङ्गपरीक्षणस्य. भ्राता यदा गृहम् आगमिष्यति तदा अहं वार्तां करिष्ये. Then she tells that भ्राता एवं चिन्तयितुं कथं प्रभवति? How my brother can think like this? शिशुः कन्या अस्ति चेत् वदार्हा. If the baby is girl, is she kill? Can we kill her? जघन्यं कृत्स्नं. जघन्यम् अपराधं. Very bad decision. त्वं विरोधं न कृतवती. You would have told my brother not to think like that. You should oppose my brother. सः तव शरीरे स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति. He is trying for the feticide. अधुनैव गृहं चल. Please move to home. नास्ति आवश्यकता लिङ्गपरीक्षणस्य. We don't need to test the gender. भ्राता यदा गृहम् आगमिष्यति अहं वार्तां करिष्ये. If brother comes, I will discuss with him. सन्ध्याकाले भ्राता आगच्छति. हस्तपादादिकं प्रक्षाल्य वस्त्राणि परिवर्त्य पूजागृहं गत्वा दीपं प्रज्वालयति. भवानीस्तुतिं चापि करोति. तदनन्तरं चायपानार्थं सर्वेपि एकत्रिताः. So the brother coming in the evening, and after washing his hands and legs, he goes to the temple room and he prays goddess Bhavani, and afterwards everybody comes together for the tea. राकेशः, माले, त्वं चिकित्सिकां प्रति गतवती आसीः. किम् अकथयत् सा? Then he is asking the Mala, did you go to the hospital? What did doctor say? Mala, मौनमेवाश्रयति. She was very quiet. तदैव क्रीडन्ती त्रिवर्षीया पुत्री अंबिका पितुः क्रोडे उपविशति. Then the 3 years old daughter Ambika comes and sits on his lap. Chakalehancha yachate. She pleads for the chocolate. राकेशः अंबिकां लालयति. चाकलेहं प्रदाय तां क्रोडात् अवधारयति. He gives him the chocolate and tells her to move. पुनः मालां प्रति प्रश्नवाचिकां दृष्टिं क्षिपति. Again she looks at Mala in a questioning way. शालिनी एतत् सर्वं दृष्ट्वा uttaram dadati. Then Shalini comes and she gives the answer. Shalini, Bhrataha, tvam kim ज्ञातुमिच्छसि? What do you want to know? Tasyaha kukshi putraha asti putri va. You want to know whether son is there or daughter. Kimartham? Why? Shanmasanantaram sarvam spashtam bhavishyati. After 6 months, everything will be clear. Samayat purvam kimartham ayam ayasaha. Why are you trying so much before the time? राकेशः भगिनी त्वं तु जानासि एव अस्माकं गृहे अम्बिका पुत्रीरूपेण अस्त्येव अधुना एकस्य पुत्रस्य आवश्यकता अस्ति तर्हि then he tells you know that we have 3 years daughter Ambika, we have a daughter, but now we need a son in the house. Shalini, tarhi kukshi putri asti chet hantavya? Then Shalini, if the daughter is there again, should we kill? Tivra Swarena. Hatyayaha papam kartum pravruttosि tvam. You are going to get the sin of murdering. Rakesha. Na hatya tu na. I am not killing. Shalini. Tarhi kimasti nirghrunam krutyamidam. Then what else it is? It is so unkindful. Sarvata विस्मृतवान् अस्माकं जनकः कदापि पुत्री पुत्रयोः विभेदं न कृतवान्. You completely forgotten that father has never made any difference between son and daughter. सः सर्वदैव मनुस्मृतेः पङ्क्तिम् इमाम् उद्धरति स्म. Always he was telling the lines from the Manusmriti. आत्मा वै जायते पुत्रः पुत्रेण दुहिता समा. So in Manusmriti it is told that our soul gets the shape of son. Putrena duhita sama. Daughter is equivalent to son. Tvamapi sayam prataha devi stutim karoshi. You also pray goddess Ambika day and night. किमर्थेः किमर्थं सृष्टेः उत्पादिन्याः शक्त्याः तिरस्कारः करोति. It is the nature that is giving birth. Why are you opposing the nature? You are going against the nature. तव मनसि इयति कुत्सिता वृत्तिः आगता. Your mind is totally polluted. इदं चिन्तयित्वैव अहं कुण्ठिता अस्मि. I feel so sad about you. तव शिक्षा वृथा. Educating you has come meaningless. Your all complete education is meaningless because you are differentiating between the son and daughter. Rakeshah. भगिनी विरम विरम अहम स्वापराधं स्वीकरोमि लज्जिता अस्मि. My dear sister, please calm down. I understood my mistake and I am feeling shame about my decision. अद्य प्रभृति कदापि गर्हितमिदं कार्यं स्वप्नेपि न चिन्तयिष्यामि. From today onwards, I will never think about this. यथैव अम्बिका मम हृदयस्य सम्पूर्णस्नेहस्य अधिकारिणी अस्ति तथैव आगन्ता शिशुः अपि. As I love the Ambika, in the same manner I will love the kid which is going to come. स्नेहाधिकारी भविष्यति पुत्रः भवतु पुत्री वा. Whether it is a son or the daughter, I will love him in the same manner. अहं स्वगर्हितचिन्तनं प्रति पश्चात्तापमग्नः अस्मि. I am feeling very shameful about my act. अहं कथं विस्मृतवान्. How I forgot. यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्रैताः न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्तत्र असफलाः क्रियाः. Where the women are respected. These also sentences from Manusmriti. Where the women are respected, gods will be present there. Where they are disrespected, all the efforts will be useless. अथवा पितुर्दशगुणा मातेति. Mother is 10 times greater than father. Mother is 10 times greater than father. Tvaya sanmargaha pradarshitaha bhagini. My dear sister, you told me the right thing. Kanishtapitvam mama guru rasi. Even though you are younger to me, you are like my teacher. Shalini. Alam paschatapena. Stop worrying. तव मनसः अंधकारः अपगतः प्रसन्नतायाः विषयोऽयम्. The darkness from your mind has gone out. It is the happy news. Bhratrajaye agaccha, my dear. Brother's wife, please come. Sarvam chintam tyaja. Please forget all the worries. Agantuhu shishoho swagataya cha sannadha bhava. Please get ready to welcome the new kid in our family. Brataha tvamapi pratignam kuru. My dear brother, take the promise. कन्यायाः रक्षणे तस्याः पाठने दत्तचित्तः स्थास्यसि. So you will be protecting the girl child and you will be very much concentrating on her education. पुत्रीं रक्षा पुत्रीं पाठया. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. पुत्रीं रक्षा पुत्रीं पाठया इति सर्वकारस्य घोषणेयं तदैव सार्थका भविष्यति. Then only the government, whatever the government has taken the decision, it will be meaningful. Vayam sarve militva chintanamidam yathartha rupam karishyamah. We together make it a grand success. या गार्गी श्रुत चिंतने नृपनये पांचालिका विक्रमे लक्ष्मी शत्रु विदारणे गगनम विज्ञानांगणे कल्पना इंदोद्योगपथे च खेल जगति ख्याताभितः सायिना सेयं स्त्री सकलासु दिक्षु सबला सर्वै सदोत्साह्यताम्. That means Ya Gargi. Gargi was a famous Vedic educationist. In the Vedas, we find about writings about the Gargi who was highly educated. Panchalika Vikrami. Panchalika was famous in the warfield. Lakshmi Shatru Vidharane. Killing the enemies. Who? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Gaganam Vignanangane Kalpana. In the field of science, we can find Kalpana Chawla. Indodyogapate, that is mission of moon. She has gone to the moon. Khela Jagati Khyata Bitas Saina. In the field of sports, you can find Saina Nehwal. Seyam Sri Stri. These are all the ladies. Sakalasu Dikshu. In all the field. Sabalaha. They are capable. Never feel that women is less powerful than men. They are also very much capable. Sada utsahyatam. Please welcome them with the eagerness. Let us welcome the girl child. Let us learn to treat the female as like male. They are also equally important. Okay. Like that we have learned. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. With this we have completed Gruham Shunyam Sutam Vina. Dhanyavad.